some of you maybe bashebelang SABC 1 and 3 see me more. Yes, I'm here today at your school to donate school shoes and shirts for the underprivileged kids. Again, that's about Nalibo brothers, little sisters, by the now we have to help each other again. Yes, but the other thing that I'm here for, I'm here because of some of you are very naughty. And I think you forget already one day the talk. Some of you play sports again. And those who are playing sports is a very, very important thing. Not only soccer, netball, basketball, cricket, rugby, all sporting codes. Bole Banyana, I know there are some of you are telling soccer Banyana here. Tennis, yeah, yes. You have to do it. Think very serious sports, because of sports and education goes hand in hand again. It's very important for you guys to know for sports and education. Those two things, they go hand in hand, because outside of sports, it's easy for you in the classroom to understand because of your mindset. It's active at all times because of sports. Again, but if you don't play sports, you don't do anything. You always sitting. No. At your age, it's not a really made you. Again, all we want to see you guys do is to play sports. And Alfred school. Nobody must ever anakanora in school Sambora. School it's future. Again, without school, you're going nowhere. Without school, there's nothing that you're going to do. I'm with my friend here, Abuti Onane. He did everything wrong. Like he used to eat drugs. He was arrested. He was in prison. He was talking well about the life that he lived, what he saw, which is something that I want you guys, for them to and bamu mamele. I can't live what clever babang. Ali mamele bo teacher. You don't respect teachers. Some of you again. Not knowing Hori that is going to affect him in future. Again, now I want you guys to listen to him, give him time. What he did for him to be arrested, how did he start drugs? Again, so that you could understand Hori. Yeah, drugs, I ran. Now I want you guys to listen to him and make sure from today, whoever tells you Maka already drugs in Monad, there's no drugs in Monad at all. Ahuna Trongo Emonad at all. He'll tell you better. Now I'm just telling you guys to take it about all the sports because of I'm a sports person. Again, now listen to him now.
Okay. Alright, ngikopi le nami. Igama lami uCharles Zulu. Bayading mamele kahle. I want you to pick me up. I'm a paper and read me. Letha ngizotshela yona. I'm talking from experience. Angiyifundanga encwadini. Ngicela nibhekeni kahle kuneka. Ngicela nibheke neka. Lesikhalesi esase Sun City. Lapho bathi kumnandi khona ziyaduma la. Ikhaya nginazo ezegangsterism. And lastly, ngicela nibhekeni kahle ngifaka ama-falls because of gangsterism. Niyayibona? Akukho mnandi. So there are two ways emhlabeni. Okumele nikhethe. It's good and bad. So this one is good. Iyalayo ukuthi nifunde and listen. But the bad one, you end up in prison or dead. So mina ngicela nimameleni kahle. I've been there. Mina ngitshela ukuthi ngiyazi kade angazi ukuthi angazi. I was 13 years old. Uqala kwami ukubhema ugwayi lensaka. So ngibele ngiyakhula, ekhaya ngiyafika. So mina akublame umngani. Ngicela nani ngablame nabangani ngoba kuyizi ukuthi usikhiphe emnganini lo ophuma endleleni. That's why you pick me up, I'm a paper and read me. Wena njengoba nikhula kanje, umngani onayo mawubona ukuthi uphuma endleleni yekela lo mngani umngani onayo mawubona ukuthi sekaphatha yokaphaya phuma endleleni umngani onayo masekasema-drugsini phuma kuye ungablame umngani. So what happened mina mangisakhula laba drugs etsako ebhemayo you have ukuthi uyofuna imali and ukufuna imali you have to commit crime. If you commit crime nizoba njengami nizoba negama you have kumele uyoganga and uma uqala uganga abaphoyisa sowa semva kwakho. So ithe bakulebele khona 1987 I was hard on drugs. Ithe mathi 1989 bese ngiphathe ibhamu ngisitshe ukuthi ngiyazi 1991 I was 20 years old bese ngiqala ngiboshwa ngiphuma. So I was lucky enough bengakaze ngeSunCity. So mina into engifuna ukunibonisa yona I want you to take a good look at me. Akusimpilo lengibuya kuyo. Akusimpilo. So it happened. Mangiboshwa. My friends abekho la. My best friend is my family. Yebona lamagama abanikeza wona abo speech ojo abo general. Phela nwalahleni. Mina ngobeni namagama amaningi ukazeze. Ude Ghetto. I was so having so many names angikhiphe endleleni. So ngiyangicela amagama lawo. Phela ningawanyakeli lamagama lawo. Phumani kula magama. So it happened mangibele khona semphathi isibhamu nje ukuthi ngiyazi. And ngizolitshela something. Iweapon oyiphathayo it's a magnet. If you live by the way umese bazogwaza na. If uphatha isibhamu it's a magnet eyalento osaluyiphatha. So please never carry anything ama-weapon and avoid bad friends. So mina bengizothi ngiyazi kade angazi ukuthi angazi. So it happened mangikhula I did end up ngingasakhoni ukungokola lento ukuthi angisayi eSunCity. I end up ngiseSunCity. Yasibona lesi iska. Ngithe mangiseSunCity bokuthi ngeke ngane njengani. Le kumele ngimtshele iqiniso. There were sodomites phakathi la. Mina ngibakhulumela. I was end up stepped eSunCity. Ngasitsha eSunCity ngayositshwa futhi eBhayi. So eSunCity ngene 2002 ngikale kusaba uNkulunkulu lapha. Please whatever you are doing ngicela you must pray. Mina nginitshela abantwana bengathandani bengazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu khona bengithi ukuthi ngiyaphila nje. So mangikade ukwaziyo ngiseSunCity I start praying. I ask for a second chance kuNkulunkulu. Ngathi uNkulunkulu ngicela i-second chance. I-second chance leyo oyicelayo it must come from the bottom of your heart. My second chance was ukuthi mangiphuma la eSunCity akusafuni imngane ophuma endleleni. MangiseSunCity lo minyaka akuna nomngane oyi-1 ozayo. MangiseSunCity njoba kulimele akuna nomngane bekade uzulu limele ithi sombona because bad friends bazokushiya inkingeni. Ngithe mangibuya eSunCity angithi bokuyitsoni ngisigebe ngithi ngiphatha ibhamu ngazi kakhulu kanti ngazi ukuthi angazi. So i-second chance engiyitholile kuNkulunkulu namanje I still praying. Ngithe mangibuya I went out ngayothola i-hard labor ngisebenza kanzima into bengakaze ngayenza i-hard labor ngipiki ne-Arab for a year. Ngithe mangithola imali ngihamba ngayovusa ibhizinisi ePietersdale selling for tourists. Lapho angisana ndaba nabangani. So during those years ekhaya bangise-rehab kaningi ngoba yibo abangiphushayo. But lento le it must come from the bottom of your heart. Mina ngazisa azange ngase-rehab ngazitsheyishela ngoba bengifuna impilo engcono. So mina ngina-advise ngayo into. That's why ngithi take a good look at me. Please umngani o-wrong msuse kuwe. Umngani o-wrong ungacabanga nakusasa ukuthi ngizobuyela kulo. And alamagama labo general labo Speed Jojo nabo mami bana ngingane amantombazane banipha amagama abo mami Mshozi. Please ayekeleni la. Please ngicela mayolala today okucabanga ukuthi lo mngane enginayo umngane onjani. And akunamngane ozokuyezisa into eni. Lento ayisuke kuwe from today. Into ayishilo ubaba uSteve yebhola. It's a good thing. Yazi ukuthi kunobhudi la uBruce Ramkadi akekho. I was the best football player. Abo Bruce obakhulu bebahayele ukudlala lebhola elidlalayo. Kodwa mina I choose drugs. uBruce wazowaqhubeka. So oqala ngilahle italent lelana lebhola. Okwesibili mawuzobhema esikoleni mina bekubona ngathi uthishere yethu afundisa yona iyangena ngapha phuma ngayo. Please stay away from drugs, stay away from inside. And also you pipe bantwana dangerous. leya nto ayina-sport mayiza la straight esifubeni you will die akeke ufike kule age abothisha bafike kuyo please umuntu obhema i-hookah pipe cela nim-avodeli nimtshele ukuthi ukwi-danger please bantwana but into esiphezu kwayo is crime drugs gangsterism cela leyo and prison nisuke kuzo please umngane ophuma endleleni phuma kuye ubhekane ne-ball bag akazi any questions cela ningibuzeni ningasabi kodwa nicela nimbheke la niyabona le kaya enginazo ngene e-ICU 3 times yazi ICU bantwana lapho is between life and death angeke usava ICU ngene 3 times ngithe ukuthi ngiyazi kade angazi so to avoid le mpilo engiyiphilile please stay away from drugs nimamele yonke into yensela yenze into epositive.
Okay, first question now.
When you have like somebody who pulls you in class and you don't concentrate. When she pulls you, then you don't hide it. How will
you know when somebody bullies you, there are teachers. You see, report a bully. And report bullying, please. Don't say, yo, no, man, I'm reporting uzongishaya. And you've got the right in telling. There are police. Umntana omncane uyabosha ulipolishana. Ungasabi lo policia with you. No, it's what is a bully. Now about teacher. You go to your teachers. You go to your principal. Please, you report bullying, please. Ninga you report bullying,
Stand up.
So as you were saying that you end up in Sun City, can I ask, when you were in Sun City, sir, what kind of lessons did you learn?
You know, when I was in Sun City, that's where I started to learn that being a criminal and being on drugs and committing crime, you'll end up being in Sun City. When you're in Sun City, that's why I started to learn that there is God. I must take my life to God. That means it's not good because there's another thing I must tell you. In Sun City, in a city of 12 o'clock, twice a day. Ulala ngesikhathi ukuthi lapha akunakuthi uyarelaxa again. Ulala makufunda umthetho, uvuka makufuna umthetho. Lapha there's no life lapha yana, I'm telling you. Yebo yena khona ukuthi mani la ngaphandle kube right. Lapha ya akundlala inyakanyaka. Akuzimpi inyakanyaka. That place is not good. That place is not good. Kodwa leyana be teacher. You know, we say something in Boshi. Baba, the God is there. I met young Tandaza. I have asked for second chance. And I was praying every day in Lapaya. Baba, there are miracles to call. The second chance being there. It was not the second chance to Mangpuma, Nyota like that. German Puma, Amang Sebet. Manje, you community leader, APP. Manje, I'm fighting crime, drugs, and gangsterism. What of the gangster oh, what the Yobosho? I was a shaky car, then hijacker emo. So, they wanted the hijacker exit. Minabengas good in a train. And at that time I was carrying a gun. Gemang figure, who go Dalang and Kuzu Goke car. Minangashulu Gogamanga Tai, Imojagum Gadwa. Gemang said to be far about Yaeta. Niboding my post as a one game. You go big hijacker emo to the cabin getting I were hijacking. That's why I'm telling the Sun Sea. And during those years, nobody cried against it, maybe still big enough pay. I would even say those days, big enough pay. And hijacking the emo.
Yes, okay, let's do this. Nyazi put a patient this important. All we say to you guys. No, just crime doesn't pay. Crime doesn't pay. not at all. Now, I think now some of you manikhula nizenza botlhe nala esikolweni nabotlhe abanye abatshelwa nisakiwe umistress makathi uyamkhuza first day lesikhathi ngila esikolweni umistress ukhulume ngomunye athi hey lo mntana lo yakezwe eklasini uyifuna ukusitshela mawuthi amtshela ukutshela ukuthi yena akakusabi manje those are things esibisa ku Christ. Ngiyangithola hloniphani abazali benu abo mistress abazali benu kumele nibahloniphe at all times. Angithi umistress wakho umzali wakho kufana nomama wakho wasekhaya and umistress uhlala nawe almost ilanga lonke ukudlula umama wakho ngoba uhlala nawe akufundise umama wakho uthola for 2 hours uyalala uvuka ekseni umistress uthakisa manje asihlonipheni abo mistress nabo teacher ene inhlonipho uNkulunkulu uthi hlonipha umama wakho nobaba wakho amalanga wakho akwazi ukuba maningi. Ngiyayizwa imnandi kanjani? Hlonipha umama wakho nobaba wakho, hlonipha uteacher wakho ukuthi amalanga wakho akwazi ukuba maningi. It's very important. Okay, isingitsheleni ngihamba no baba lo uzwani seneminyaka ningilaleleni kahle sondela manje igama lakho Umanta he played professional soccer naye he also went bekadlalela iPirate wadlalela iSuper Sport wayodlalela ePortugal iPorto yeah bekacoacha uMourinho uMourinho mthala nimbona bekacoacha asasemncane uMourinho naye asakhula bekamkhulu manje ngicela naye nimlaleleni 2 minutes nje anitshele ngokuthi ifootball mawungekho discipline you won't go anywhere. Sanibonani? Ninjani? Molweni? Dumelang? Abusheni? Bom dia for those who speak Portuguese. Bom dia, como está? Estás bom? Bonjour. Okay. Let me take this opportunity to thank you, my brother, my everything anyway. Yeah. So we're all from the very same background as you guys, right? I was just saying something to my sister here to say I stayed in the squatter camp back in the day, right? So what inspired me to pursue football was a God-given talent, right? So by playing football, I was so fortunate to play for Orlando Pirates junior team, right? And then I went through the ranks. I'm not gonna go much into what our brother spoke about, participating in sports and education, because of that's why you are here. But I want to inspire you to do both, academic football and academics, because of anyone who will help you to navigate through life. Okay? All right. Now, after turning professional as a football player, I went to Portugal. Okay, I played for the under 20, under 23, and the Bafana. Then I played in Portugal. Right? When I came back from Portugal, my first money, you know what I did with it? What I can say? I didn't grow it. The good answer. I didn't grow it. Nobody told me to do that. My parents didn't tell me to do that. But because of Akiri Kitubeko, environment in sharp. And I am shaper who recating to everyone else. In shape who recating is something different. Something different that won't affect my physical being. I can feel one thought. So by so saying, I'm inspiring you not to start smoking. I know you guys, especially when you go to grade 8, that's when all the wrong things begin. Again, from grade 8, you are independent, Janu. Again, that's where all these things start. So on. Okay? So I'm here to inspire you. Okay? thank again to Steve Sikano Foundation to give hope to you guys. I mean, the well right. Top it on. You have supported Babang Baduna. Lamutiba Kiben Simang. I coach him at the University of Johannesburg. Yes. Lamutiba Kata on Sabine was down. You coach him for you change. Lamutiba showed Mukhailani for Rambalakos Kupun. You coach him for you change. So I'm inspiring you guys to say sports can open a lot of doors for you. Okay, right now I might go to Wits University to coach there as well. So, but things are still on the pipeline. Okay, that's enough for the day.
Love each other. Protect each other. Love each other is very important. Alika ratana, aomunga it's amunche wrong. Well, protect. If you got ratana, you'll go places. But the only challenge is Nalion, Ali Ratana. Start down Ratana, how much my ball when out somewhere. Let's go and play together. For support. The most column, same thing. More classing, if you struggle, ask your friend to help you. So that you will be successful tomorrow. Again, let's love each other. It's important. Love each other. Again, that one is no. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. Then you'll go places. Next, everything that we do, that I do, for guidance, for him to protect me, for him to guide or keep me. Because of without him, I'm nothing. Now, it's a World Cup now. Marta Begin Radio 2000 from World Cup again because of Kesalico Radio man. Now, what I'm saying to you, if you can study hard, you'll go places. Study hard, and play sports as well. And a Tokomela Chomia how with your neighbor, your friend. Love your friend. But if he does drugs, if he does the wrong things, as a Abuja Wile, you'll never go places. Don't smoke. I don't smoke. I don't drink. Because of these days, everywhere in the corner of the street, people that's what you see. That's what motivates you. Again, Ahusana somebody that makes you feel or they can do better. Here we are today. We are here to say to you, you can do better. Don't smoke. Don't drink. When you start smoking, when you start drinking, I'm telling you now, when you see somebody drinking banana rice, you will never go anywhere in life. Please, from today, I think from the little that we said, Inkeleng and learn from each other. We love you, Ne. We love you very much. Love you, yes. My boy, you love Ubati. Amen. I get out, we go no Bushwalo to Suba. Out Suba, go no Bushwalo. Because you're going to take your money and drink it. I think I'm going to take you with something now again. Because you also want to mount like Joe and I'm going to take you again. Now don't, hey, Skela Suba, Skela, no. That one is going to destroy you. You got hide. It's all about liar. Chest.
Yes.
Sir, as Samantha said that he was a player of Pirates. Can I ask, before he was a player of Pirates, did he play for other teams?
Mamela, again, when you start, before you go to professional, you start mollificationing. You start here, when I'm more around. That's where you start your development. Then you grow up. Then you went through the development here, Pirates. Then you grow up on development from a young age until you get to the senior team. Now it's all about discipline.
no smoking, no drinking. Again, no smoking, no drinking. Mamela, Lina, I played for Pirates, I played for Moroka Swallows, I played for Jomo Cosmos, I went to Cape Town Spurs. Negula Cape Town. Nabon, because of discipline, until I retired. Again, then after, what did I do? I've got the coaching course, there's coaching batches. So coach. Mara kimutwa coaching. Kirata we tutor more about what is happening in sports. Again, I'm running a foundation to give back because of the parents alone mostly. They used to support me, watch me on TV, that's why then I said, let me give back to my community. Now understand? That's what I'm doing today, to give back. It's not the only school. I've went to more than 20 schools around Soweto. Now all I want you to do, focus in your school, and that's all we want. All what we are going to say, hello. Hello. No more questions now.
No more questions?
You are going to the classroom now because we have taken your time at classes. We are all going to say one thing together. Thank you, Steve Sikano Foundation.
Thank you, Steve Sikano Foundation.
I thank you as well. Okay, just wait for a few minutes.
He will come there.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, not is full of food. This ready?
Operation.
Urai, the sports master. Terrible.
That's the sports master.
He is the sports master.
We need to talk to the sports master.
Yes. He is our sports master.
Side, where? More.
Sign.
Hey,
Autograph. And the teachers must go as well.
We are in Soweto at Lebone Primary School. We are going to talk to the educator, Steve Sikano Foundation. They just come today to donate a school uniform. How do you feel about it? Because of Mr. Steve Sikano has been doing exceptionally well here at Soweto to donate school uniforms, not even only for school kids, even senior citizens of this country here in Soweto. How do you feel for Mr. Steve Sikano to be here to bless our kids?
As the deputy principal of the Reboni Primary School, B.G. Mashego, at Reboni Primary School, we really appreciate what Steve Sikano Foundation is bringing to our school. We really appreciate that he's coming back to the community, to give back to the community, not only to give presents, the uniform. He also motivated our children as far as bullying is concerned, as far as discipline is concerned, as far as sports is concerned, because he's a former sports player. So we really appreciate that, and we're looking forward to see them again in future. And it mustn't end here at Riboni Primary School. Let him again, the whole team also support the entire nation. And it mustn't end here at Naledi Primary School. And by so doing, I think he will motivate other sports players to give back to the community. We really appreciate that. Thank you very much.
I like what you've just said. I can't just let you go before I ask this question. We all know Bafana, they are playing, they'll be playing against Mexico. We are in the World Cup. What message you can give to Bafana, because we hope this time around they are going to play well?
Bafana, for us at Soweto, around Soweto, South Africa, we are behind you, regardless of winning or losing. But we know that we are positive that you are going to bring it home. And then we are looking forward to see that cup coming back to Africa again. We really support you and we behind you. Thank you.
Thanks, ma'am. You heard when we were talking to the deputy principal from here at the Riboni Primary School. A good message for Bafana, and he also thanked Mr. Steve Sikano and also Steve Sikano Foundation to come here in Soweto to donate a school uniform for this primary school. It was nice here at Riboni Primary School. See you when you see us on Champions again. We are in Soweto at Riboni Primary School in Naledi. I'm going to talk to the legend who doesn't need any introduction, Mr. Steve Sikano. He is here to donate school uniform for primary kids here in Soweto. Mr. Steve, you've been doing amazing job here in Soweto, not only for schools, also our senior citizens. I'm talking about elders, people who are old, you also donate to them. This heart, where does it come from?
Let me thank you first, Coach, and a good medicine, Coach. Coach Mudimo Urumile Fatsi. You know, the heart that I take, maybe I'm taking it from my parents because of there's somewhere that it comes from. I think, you know, my mom never meets a nurse because he was helping people. Then because of maybe we in my family, we believe in prayer and people rata mudimo. That's all I can say. And the heart that I have, my brother, when I grew up, playing soccer, you know, many things happened in our life. We went through a lot, but sometimes we have to thank God for being where I am today. It's not because of me, no, it's because of God. That's why I always thank God for the opportunity, for the life, you know, for giving me the heart that you just spoke about, for me to be able to give back to the elderly people, Elimboma Marona, and for the kids in schools and in communities as well. Because as you know that, Coach, I'm doing a lot of things for kids in our communities. You know, I give back everything that I get anywhere. I give it to whoever doesn't have, because of it's my nature. As I said, it's as a God will. You know, without God, we are nothing. That's why I always put God, because of with God, everything is possible. That's why I always make sure that, you know, I give back. Today, Riboni giving back, you know, uniform school for the kids who are already in need, you know, of that uniform. And I thank God for always giving me the strength to do all what I'm doing. And for those who are always assisting me, I thank God to them as well, to give them more money, for them to be able to assist me more. And for companies out there, I also ask you to come on board to work with me, for me to be able to assist. You know, next month is Mandela Month. I want to do more as well. Companies, come on board. Let's do something for our elderly people. And I thank God for everything, for continue, you know, making sure that I do my best to help the needy kids and elderly people.
What I like, we are in a youth month and you are here with primary kids. When you were seeing them, what was in your mind?
You know, as I said, Coach, Mona, each and every month there's a meaning. You know, this month is a youth month. That's why I said it's important for me to come to the school here, Reboni Primary, to give back. I mean, these kids, they really need those shoes. You know, I've seen some of them, the shoes are torn. You know, the shirts are torn. I'm so grateful to God for all what I'm doing, to making sure that, we give back to our communities, to make sure that we change the life of those kids who are really in need of, the little that we give them.
What I love today, you brought a motivational speaker, Andile Makeba, to motivate our kids in this school. Why you've decided to bring a motivational speaker?
Coach, something that I will tell you. I was at the school before I came today, and I had teachers talking, some in around where I was, talking about the kids who are naughty. Some kids, they don't want to listen. Some kids, when they talk to them, they're doing a lot of things. I said, let me bring Sandile because of, sometimes these kids need to listen to someone who has done them all so that you could understand to say what I'm doing today is going to cost me my life in future or is going to take me to the prison. That's why I said, let me bring somebody who could shake their life, maybe who could make them realize the importance of being disciplined, of respecting the elderly, because of our kids today, they don't respect. The only time for them to be able to respect is to make sure that you bring somebody who could make them realize how, the life, the opportunities that they have, they must make use of those.
I can't leave this one. You always go with soccer legends. Today you've decided to bring our soccer legend, Mr. Mandla Zwane, who've played for many professional soccer teams.
Of course, Coach. Bringing former professional players with me, it's something that also encourages me to do more because of bringing them. I think sometimes you need to bring them to see the work that we have to do as soccer legends to make sure that they understand actually the purpose of what I'm doing as well. Because of, there's a purpose for each and everything because God has sent us here for us to be able to show other people to say, we can do this together. We can, we can achieve so much. That's why I brought Mandla Zwane. Mandla Zwane is a coach who's been, all over the world. He played football in the highest level. He played in Portugal. I mean, today I'm so happy for him to be with me today, to be donating shoes, uniform to school, because of he also needs to be part of this because he's always being a coach. You're always on the soccer field coaching the kids, but sometimes you don't know even if you as a coach you can instill other things to change this kid's life.
And another thing that I've never seen it, I've been with you, it just happened today, first time ever. Reboni Primary School kids, they were asking for autograph to show appreciation. How was it when you were signing their books?
It sometimes becomes so emotional when you see kids still recognizing you, kids still, thanking you for what you are doing. Because of, for me, that way, that tells me for that whatever I'm doing, God sees that. That's why these kids, because don't forget, kids are God. Those are, those are our ancestors. Those are kids. That's why kids are so important in my life because of, for them coming to me, wanting my signature, it says a lot to me. And I'm thankful for that. And I also like to thank the school because it tells you a lot because of, not every school does that, but it tells you something about the school itself. But also like to thank the teachers, everybody in the school, and thank everybody who's here with me, my daughter, Waching, and the team, Tlari, Mandla, everyone, because of, this is a teamwork. I cannot do it alone. I have to do it with people around me as well for me to be able to succeed in what I do.
I'm very happy when you are mentioning your daughter, because she's been with you everywhere you go when you donate school uniform, blankets, grocery, everything. She's always there. And lastly, before I can let you go, we all know we are in a crucial month for us here in South Africa. Bafana, they've qualified to go to represent our country in World Cup. As we speak, they are in Mexico. What would you say about our national team? Do you think they are going to become victorious when they are going to play against Mexico?
Thank you so much, Coach, about that, because, this is a very important time for, as a country, South Africans, as former player, to support Bafana all the way, because for me, I have faith on them. I know they are going to do us proud, and I believe that one of the best team that we have this time, to say they are going to represent us very well, and I wish them good luck in everything that they do in this tournament. I believe that we'll go to the next round because of the talent that we have in that team. It's very, very incredible. We have so much talent in South Africa. I hope and I wish them the best to make sure that, they do their best and, qualify for the next round. For us as South African to be proud. We are very proud for what they have achieved, because, we've been struggling to qualify, but because of they showed us that they are best. I wish them all the best. I wish them all the games that they are going to play, to make sure that they represent us very well and they win those games, because we want to be in the next round of this World Cup tournament. Thank you, Coach, and we love you. Bafana, all the best.
Thank you very much. You heard when we were talking to our soccer legend, Mr. Steve Sikano, sending a good message for our national team, Bafana, and he was donating a school uniform for Ribone Primary School. It was nice here in Soweto. See you when you see us on Champions Circuit. It's happening in Soweto. Is where we are at the Ribone Primary School. I'm going to talk to the motivator, a motivational speaker, Mr. Zandile Zulu. Mr. Zandile Zulu, kids, they were responding so well today when you were talking to them, telling them what they have to do in life.
Sanibonani eSoweto. Ikakhulu uzothanda ukubonga Steve Sikano neSteve Sikano Foundation. Utho Steve Sikano bakathi Zandile sondela. Ngathi it's youth month, lento yeza ukuplower back to the community. I ngiyayithanda. Ngasondela kodwa ngibonga uSteve Sikano ngokungisondeza.
What I loved, you've told them about your past life. You've told them that you've been in prison and you don't encourage them to do what you were doing. Why you've decided to talk about your life to them?
Into ebhlungu le youth yethu kunento abangayazi crime, drugs and gangsterism and prison. They think ukuthi ngathi into emnandi, ngathi into elula. I've been there. I've got the scars ezase iPool zase Sun City. Engaqala ukubhema ugwayi ngina 13 1984 ugwayi nensango. Ngithe mayithi 1987 I was into drugs. So maso ukubhema ama drugs, you have to support the habit. You have to go and commit crime. Crime esesiyenza ngabo 1987 we used to go to Eastgate Mall besavulwa. We used to shoplift. Masibanjwa besiswa eBedford View Store amalazi. Ekhaya abangibuza bathi le weekend bokubo bezokhuluma mangithi bengiyovakashele gogogo. Iyaya iminyaka ithe mayithi 1990 I was hard into drugs besengiphatha ibhamu. Uyaya ke impilo seyachange ngoba sengiphatha ibhamu. I have to support my habit. Kube nabo bhuti besondelana nabo bese ngithola ama drugs. Lento yama turf wars mina ngayiqala kudala kulwela indawo yokuthi le indawo yami bese into drugs. Then makuya bese ngithola abangani sesitshontsha imoto sesajika imoto benginokuboshwa ngibuye ngoba bebangizabe ekhaya ukuthi ngeke ku rehab ngakhona. So it happened one day kwaba incane imbobo yokubaleka ngaboshwa. I went to Sun City. Ngithe mase ngiSun City ngayibona ukuthi nayo indawo bengithangeke ngifike kuyo. I still remember ngafika ngoSeptember. Last court appearance yami yayingo-October bathi hayi sokubona ngoJanuary Zandile bokungathi ngakhala. That time angiboshwa there's no friends. Into engizama uku-encourage ngayo youth kule drugs, gangsterism and crime. Ungagaga nibe baningi kodwa into isala nawe bengibona ngami.
mina bengihlala ngisenkingeni bokuba ifamily kuphela ngithe mase Sun City it went by ukuthi bengekho ku gangsterism. I was stabbed at Sun City bese ngibona ngathi impilo iyaphela and manje ngiyabheka icrime bengene ngayo boku schedule 6 there was no bail. Bengithi mangicela umasirate ngithi hayi masirate ngicela ibail bathi hayi Zulu sazohlala wena umele 30 years. So ngaqala kusaba uNkulunkulu ngise Sun City ngoba bengathi mangaphandle bengisibhatela isibhamu sami ngambe ngiyothengela ibrand ngihlala ngiphuzile ngenza into eziphuma endleleni. So ku gangsterism we are about 15 sizibiza amadela kufa bese hijacka imoto. Currently manje I'm counting about 3 friends engisele ngabo 12 bashonele and during that time besiye emncwabeni sibangcwaba ukubonisa ukuthi lempilo besiphila bengekho right. Khona manje ngihlele ngisele ngabangana abayi 3 out of that gangsterism leyo besizibiza amadela kufa. But ngithe mase sasithi ngicala ukuthandaza ask for a second chance. Ngithi uNkulunkulu ucela i second chance. Ngangithukile ngithi ngizogwesha. Yazi kuleyo second chance magistrate wathi kimi Zulu unenhlanhla uzophuma ngemboko yenaleti. That second chance engiyitholile ngazitshela ukuthi I must plow back to the community. But ngazibuza ngathi how ngathi I must open a business. Ngahamba ngashopika nefosholo. Ngasebenza hard. Ngasave imali for a year. After a year ngahamba ngayovula ibusiness Hector Peterson Museum. It came in 2012 I moved to near Soweto TV, then I went to Vilakazi down the road. But manje currently I'm a community leader at PFN fighting crime, drugs and gangsterism. And manje into engiyithandayo 2012 nga-elect ngaba yi-community leader, we've got CPF, ngiyazama to plow back to the community. Kodwa currently I'm teaching kids about crime, drugs, gangsterism and prison. Kodwa I've been there nginey'kha ngibabonisa ukuthi nginey'kha akudlalwa makuleyanto ngoba ukuphuma lapha akukho lula ukuthi uphume ukuthi uyekele kodwa masahleli remember ukuthi it's prison or death.
Makeba, before I can let you go, to show Ribone primary school kids, they responded so positively. They even asked for your autograph. How was it when you were signing also their books to show that they are appreciating what you were saying to them?
Yes, it's first time ngisayina autograph ngoba kulabantwana kubo ngathi ngenye example ukuthi ngoba kudala abatshelwa abantu abafunda incwadi ukuthi kuzoyizakala kanje. It's first time mawuphambi kwabo babona ukuthi nango umuntu ubuye Sun City nangogwaziwe nango umuntu bekaphila ku gangsterism nango umuntu ubhemile kodwa usoba manje. I was so happy mangibona bathi hayi siyasana ama autograph ngoba to them ngi-inspiration and I was so happy ukuthi I'm plowing back to the community.
Makeba angwazi ukuyekela le nyanga esikuyona is a crucial month. Bafana they will be playing against Mexico. What message you can give to Bafana as they will be playing against Mexico?
Bafana ngithi iMexico iyazi ukuthi sayenza in 2010. So good Bafana good luck. Anisadlaleli nina senidlalele South Africa. Nami kusasa angiyindawo ngiyobe ngihleli style ngithi go Bafana go Bafana iMexico yethu siyadlula ku Mexico.
Ngiyabonga.
Kubonga mina abalaleli nibe happy month happy youth month. Ngiyathemba ukuthi iYouth kule inyanga ye-youth ingani. Please stopana ukucelebrate ngamabhiya, stopana ukucelebrate ngensango. This is youth month. Ngicela nithathe lento enginitshela yena ukuthi crime, drugs, gangsterism and prison those are dangerous. And okugcina choose friends wisely. Umngane ombona ukuthi uphuma endleleni miyekele kule youth month. Uzombona mamiyekile uzoba ne-future.
Thanks Makeba.
Kubonga mina.
Siyabonga. Besikhuluma nayo Mr Zulu manje sezokhuluma nayo our soccer legend Mr Mandla Zwane. Mr Mandla Zwane, I can't let you go before I talk to you.
Yeah.
You were here to grace this occasion. You were also donating a school uniform for this school. Why you've decided to join a Steve Sikano Foundation?
Thank you very much, my brother, Coach. Steve Sikano is a brother, is a legend, is someone that is doing something out of ordinary, and is someone that is doing something that nobody else could think of. And when he gave me a call last week to say on the 10th he'll be coming here, I was like, wow. I cannot miss it for anything. If it means I have to drop what I'm doing, so be it. Because of the most important thing is to inspire the little ones.
I liked what you've just said now. You were inspiring the young ones and they were responding so positively, telling them you've played for international teams, Porto, Orlando Pirates. How was it? Because some of them, they're even asking questions.
Yeah, look, majority of them, they were born long after I've retired, so they don't know. But now it's better if they get their history direct from the horse's mouth. So now, after having heard what they said, what I told them, they were inspired because of you could see even the response that I got from them. They were like, wow. Even when I mentioned the players that I coached at University of Johannesburg, you're giving him Simango, Katla Khonsabeleng from Sundowns, Sean Mokhaila, Kenneth Langa, and Mpora Mala at Sikukune. They were like overwhelmed. They were like overwhelmed. At the same time, that also it says one or two heard the message, and if we can change one or two, it's more than enough. You know, that's what God said. If you can change, bring one person to me, you've done more than 1,000 men's labor. So one or two players will be inspired by my statement to say to continue to study. That's number one. Because of those players, they also have degrees that when they play professional football. They will be inspired to take education seriously, one. Secondly, they'll be inspired to take football as a career because of we live in difficult economic times right now. So if you're not you've got your academics but you're unemployed, but if you are a sports person and you've been playing soccer or netball or whatever the sport that you chose, then maybe that sporting code will sustain you, will sustain your life for a longer period, or maybe to a certain period up until maybe you decide to pursue your academic career post football, which is the message that it should be spread across the country to all different schools, especially at high school level, because they'll be closer to those that out of what do you call lack of a better word, they'll be closer to adulthood. Yeah.
What I loved again when I was seeing them asking for autographs from you, we start to see now our kids, they start to understand when they see their legends that these people are the ones who've made a change in any sporting codes.
Yeah, look, football is like our late president, the former statesman Nelson Mandela said, everything is impossible up until it's done. And for players, for kids, they needed something like this because of maybe they don't know that there are people that live around them that were professionals. So I was like an inspiration of myself and Steve Sikano, for that matter, to say, yes, we are part of this environment. We at some point we were in your situation. So now here you are with a guy who was at your situation, that he has made it in life. So they came to inspire you. So hoping that our message was loud and clear to the little ones to say, you know what, education, and sports.
Mr. Mandla, I was also inspired when you were talking to them. And I know there are those soccer legends who are demotivated at home, who've lost a hope. What would you say to them? Because I'm very happy when I always see you. I all know it's not easy for all of us, but you always keep on coming, keep on pushing, trying your level best to be out there.
Look, I know we are disgruntled. I'm one of them. I'm not different. But little by little, you know, for a house to be built, it's a brick after one brick. So just go out and do a little bit that you can in the communities or in a school nearby you. Start and do something about something that you know, which nobody else can take it away from you, which is coaching your little kids. I mean, to teach them the basics. Then the rest will just take care of itself, or the rest will follow. Because now, if you are doing something, people are out there, they will see that at least you are doing something. They can be, you can be brought back into the mainstream, or maybe you can get something out of it. As long as you are doing something, people want to see that you are doing something, unlike if you are sitting at home. Please, gents, let's go out there and do something for ourselves and for our communities.
Nice words. Before I can let you go, we all know we are in a crucial month where we all know Bafana Bafana has qualified to represent our nation in the World Cup. What message, a good message that you can give for our national team?
The only message I can give is that they must just give their all, knowing that the 69 million people are behind them. So, as we all know, in sports, there's only 3 outcomes. It's a win, lose, and a draw. But let them give themselves, let them give themselves out. And whatever happens, happens. Let them play their heart out, and then the rest will take care of itself. But at the same time, let them enjoy. Because if they don't enjoy, that's when now the issue of mistakes, they come in. But if you do enjoy, the chances of mistakes, they are very, very, very minimal.
Then, Mr. Mandla?
Ichara.
You heard when we were talking to our soccer legend, Mr. Mandla's one who doesn't need any introduction. It was nice in Soweto at Ribone Primary School. We were talking to our soccer legends who are doing amazing a job for our Sowetans, because without our soccer legend, I don't think our kids, they can get what they are getting from our soccer legend. It was nice here. See you when you see us on Champions League.